the best among the best. It's me. That's why Yayasan Sabah Scholarship is for me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hello, Yayasan Sabah Education Development Department. My name is Muhammad Afnan Afif bin Dharmawi, and I am planning to be a future doctor. I am an ex-foundation student of the University of Malaya with a CGPA of 4.0 for both semesters and 9A+ and 2As in the Sijil Pelajaran Malaysia examination. I am thrilled to apply for the Beasiswa Cemerlang Negeri Sabah BCNS Scholarship by Yayasan Sabah Education Development Department because I believe my outstanding achievements align perfectly with the characteristics of the candidate of the scholarship receiver. In addition to that, I believe receiving your scholarship can carve a better pathway for me to be a respected and capable doctor in Malaysia, since I can receive your scholarship and continue my studies at the top 1 university in Malaysia, University of Malaya. Furthermore, more time and effort can be used for my studies with the funds from the scholarship. In the end, I'll manage to climb higher and achieve better results every time. At the same time, I can gain a lot of experience in the medical field, and my objective to be a doctor can be achieved, which is to provide better healthcare services in our own country. If we see this from another perspective, the best healthcare services can build trust in the community towards our health ministry. Why? Because more dying patients can be saved, more sick people can be treated, and healthier person can be prevented from various diseases. I've had a passion to get a scholarship since my teenage years when the Yayasan Sabah event was held in my hometown in Tawau, Sabah. Since I have participated actively in medical related activities such as the MMI workshop and an insight to medicine aim, I think it would be a great opportunity for me to take your scholarship and study what I want. I also think that I can finish my degree, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MBBS, with the help of BCNS since I am a hardworking person. This is because I managed to maintain my momentum of studying even from kindergarten. I got the best award in the Saidina Ali examination, beaten Pasti in Malaysia. 4 A's and 2 B's in UPSR, 8 A's in UPKK, Mumtaz in SRU, 12 A's in PT3, Mumtaz in SMU, and finally 9A+ and 2A's in SPM, as well as CGPA of 4.0 as I mentioned before. Apart from meeting the necessities of someone who is getting a scholarship, I also have other skills and characteristics that can help me to benefit BCNS wisely, such as having a sense of leadership. For instance, I am the head of the religious advertising team in my foundation year, held prefect in both primary and secondary school, participated in Nadwah Kepemimpinan Islam at the national level, and also been awarded the Khalid Al-Walid Award in Camp Remaja Islam, Chris. In addition, I also have a great communication skills since I'm one of the Malay language debaters that represent the University of Malaya last year and even represent my state during secondary school. Because of my talent, the University of Malaya debate team, or known as Morum, invited me to join their club and practice more frequently so that I can participate in much more debate competitions. Not only perfect in Malay language related activities, but I also participate in book review competitions that are related to the English language and Kalimatus Sobah or Arabic speech. I believe that my passion for medicine, coupled with academic achievements and practical experiences, will enable me to make a difference in the healthcare industry. Besides my passion to help others, I believe that this scholarship will help me to get one step closer to achieve my dream to become a doctor where I can provide quality care to those in need. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video resume. I hope you can see my potential and consider me for the BCNS scholarship in MBBS program. I look forward to hearing from you. Goodbye!